Welcome to Universal Orlando's Epic Universe Value Resort, Terra Luna. Join us for a full tour. This amazing Universal Resort is right across the street from Epic Universe, where you can visit Harry Potter and the Ministry of Magic, Super Mario World, Dark Universe, and How to Train Your Dragon. Terra Luna Resort opened on March 25th, 2025. There's 750 guest rooms, and right across the street, Stella Nova, Sister Hotel, also another 750 rooms. Why stay at a Universal Resort? Well, it's the early park entry. You want to get into the parks an hour early, stay at the resorts. It's the best case scenario. It's a win-win for everybody. Now, let's cover some features before we get to my experience here at Terra Luna. Number one, the resort has a pool. It has multiple restaurants, multiple bars, one inside, one outside, a fire pit for relaxing by the fire, a game room for the kids, and a gym for everybody. Now that that's out of the way, it's time for a full resort tour, a room tour. We're going to check everything out. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. As soon as you walk in the front door, you feel like you're in the future. You're in another galaxy. It was meant to be that way. I love the decor. It really felt like this is the most modern, up-to-date resort that you can stay in. I could stare at that floating planet all day long. We'll get into the Universal store in a minute. First, let's take a look at the food. Let's take a look at the cafe and the marketplace. Pretty cool. Definitely different than Stella Nova, but I really like the atmosphere. Reminds me more of a cafe type area. I love the wood. It's not as futuristic, but you kind of feel like you're out in the galaxy. Very chill, lots of options, everything you need. Let's take a look at the store. I love Universal Resort stores. Why? Because they have the essentials and they always have the newest product available as well. So if you forgot something in the parks, most likely you'll find it here and you can grab it, put it in your bag, and bring it home with you. So a lot of different options, and especially all the new Epic Universe merchandise is right here in Terra Luna's Universal Resort store. So let's take a look. Hey you, watching our video, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up, let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. We have transported to the third floor, and it's a pretty cool floor because they have a special hallway. It's a great photo op. Third floor, take a right, and check this out. I'm not sure what's going on with the lights and the mirrors on the ceiling, but I love it. Come here, check it out, hit up the third floor, and have some fun. time for a room tour. I really enjoyed this room. It was great in every way. I have no complaints except for one. I wish there was a desk, but there's not. Totally okay. The bed was comfortable, the toiletries were great, and I just really felt pretty awesome in this room. I loved every minute of it. I'm sure you already guessed. The resort, well, it has complimentary Wi-Fi. You can upgrade it, but the complimentary Wi-Fi worked great for me. Well, I hope you loved the room as much as I did. Let's get outside. Let's check out that pool. The architecture, the decor, the landscaping, they spared no expense. This place is beautiful. Absolutely love it. I can't stop looking at it. It's just amazing. The resort pool area was amazing. Plenty of seating, outside bar, food, everything you need is here. My suggestion, book an extra day. Have a pool day and don't just spend all your time in the parks. Enjoy this place. It's awesome. All right, enough of the pool area. I know we all love it. Let's take a quick look at that arcade and gym and then say goodbye. We've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. Book a trip. get your butt to Orlando, stay at Terra Luna, and have a blast. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching.